Okay.
Okay, you're back.
Yeah, I'm back.
Okay.
Okay, that is just the basic things. So first and
Okay.
foremost, I will want to uh, list the tax. The tax. So we want to look at WordPress, and we want to look at blogging, blog with Elementor. I'm typing my tax. Any other thing? Any other thing do you want to add?
Okay, no, sorry, Majid. The truth is, I went through a tutorial,
Okay.
a YouTube,
Okay.
so I have an idea. In fact, maybe let me share my URL with
Share
you
your
know.
screen straight. Let
So,
me see your screen.
okay, what do I need to do now?
On the right, on the left hand side, there is a share your screen icon.
Yes, I've done that. It's open to
Click,
me three options, entire
click,
screen.
click on
Okay.
the under your entire screen. Just click on the preview, small preview. Just click on it,
Okay, then
and
share.
click share audio.
Okay,
Click share audio button and click share.
all right.
Okay, now I can see myself. Now what you need to move out of this chart, move to another tab, open another tab.
Okay,
Okay, good. I'm seeing your screen live.
okay. So
So
this is my WordPress.
good.
This is my WordPress. So let me just quickly show you what I was saying.
Okay.
Okay. So I hope my internet will be a little fast. So if I go to pages now
Okay.
and blogs,
Okay.
okay. So okay, here too is my URL. This is my website.
Okay.
This is my authors
Okay.
loading. You see it.
Okay.
So this is my products and services. It's
Okay.
all still work in progress though.
I understand.
Okay. So now going to my
Okay.
blogs now.
Okay.
How it looks. So I wanted to design this such that I would have different sections. My previous posts in all these places. Maybe I use a 3 column, whatever. So and I
Okay.
wanted to use a already prepared template. So if I just drop it here, I would start editing, which was what I did for other pages. Now, following the same steps, I will now come to my blog, edit with Elementor.
Okay.
This might take a little time.
I'm
Might
with
take a
you.
little time to open. Yes. I'm trying to open another tab for the WordPress angle. Okay, so this is where you were referring to settings reading.
Yes.
Yes. So if you see I unselected, if I unselect like this, if I have not selected anything for post page, that is
Yes.
when I will to work here. But if I had selected blogs here, which is the
Okay.
page of my blog, if I come here, it won't load. It will give me an error message.
Select
I
it. Let
observe
us
that.
see.
Okay, let me select it here. That has refreshed. If I now come here and refresh, that will take long, but
Now
Let's
I
hope
think
it doesn't give me an error message.
why this one is loading.
Okay.
Okay, I think
Yeah.
okay, I now understand. Is this what you are talking about?
No, this is just one of it. So that's why I came here and unselected, because I observed that if I don't select blogs, this place will load properly. This gave me a lot of problem. I was on this for almost 2 days before I now suggest that if I don't select blogs, if I put it as select, or if I unselect everything, if this one will roll and it will run properly. But now the problem, I've unselected. Can I go ahead and then show you what I'm
Okay,
talking
go
about? So
ahead
this,
and show me.
okay. So now if I refresh this, I can't really tell why it's like that. I don't know whether it's
I
not
would explain. I will explain what you want. I only want to understand
my
what you are
problem.
saying.
Yes,
I
yes.
can I understand what you want to achieve. I understand what you may want to achieve. You understand? So, but
Yes,
I only want to first of
yes.
all get you clear so that it's not going to be as if I did not let you, express yourself. You understand?
Even
I was
for
just
whatever
like,
reason, it didn't load properly. But let me do it from here. It should load. Maybe because of what has happened. Let me go back and let me say edit with Elementor. It's not selected. Okay, sorry.
you did not
I've
save
not
it.
saved. I've not saved changes yet, so it will be giving me. It has not seen it. To save changes. So you can now refresh this. I'm aware that there are some things I can do to make my website faster, but I've not got to that stage. I just wanted to set the whole thing up and then I'll go back to all those plugins. So you see that it loaded now
Uh,
because did not select I did not select blogs here. In fact,
okay.
to get this, you see, I have a page called blog and another one called blogs. I had to abandon this one and created another one to know what was the problem. So now I have to, even though I've disabled this one, so this is the only one that shows on the website. So, but
Okay.
that's one of the. Now I'm here.
Uh,
Now this is what I was talking about. So if I minimize this, so now this is a pro. So from the tutorials I saw on YouTube, I should be able to go down like this, and then no, sorry,
be free. Just
I should be able.
mm,
Yes, I should be able to drag this
uh,
here.
uh,
This is a pro. This is a premium
I
widget.
understand Elementor Pro. I'm
So
using
with this
Elementor Pro.
post, exactly. I know that's why I'm contacting you now. I know that if I get you, I will get my problem solved.
Okay, I'm
So,
listening.
but when I drop this, ideally, it should set up the page for me. But this is only what it gives me. It
It
should
ha-
set up my page,
it has set it up now.
but I'm not seeing anything, and I have posts. I have to. I know that it might be a simple thing, but what you don't know, you don't know. You understand? So what
Okay,
I was expecting is not what. So you see, I have two posts. These are
okay.
just dummy posts put
I
up there.
understand. I
But I
understand.
was I should be able to see them here, and they have images. If I open them, I should be able to see it here. So that's where my confusion is.
Okay,
And
good. I,
I tried doing this. With from here, I should be able to load ahead. So in fact, this is where my frustration really started. These
okay,
are And since I'm on Pro, I should be able to choose one of these. There is one particular one that I liked. Let me quickly look for it. I should be able to pick what I want here and insert. At least that I saw some videos doing that,
okay.
But for some strange reasons, I'm not able to. Maybe I might just end up picking anyone first so that you see what I'm saying. Even though that
Any
particular
other
one
one?
locked it.
Any other issue?
Yeah, these are three issues. So I'm trying to wait. Let me just use this for now. Okay. So from some of the videos I saw, I should be able to. You saw what I did now. This
I
is this
saw what
thing.
you
I
did.
should be able to click. I should be able to click insert, and it should insert it if I prefer this option. None of this is working. So those are three issues.
Okay. Let me start like this. Are you ready now?
Okay.
Okay. The
Yes.
first thing I want to explain is WordPress is different from Elementor, and I think you have mixed the two together. You understand? So,
Sorry, it's cracked. I didn't hear you.
okay, the first explanation is that WordPress is different from Elementor. So if you are dealing with WordPress, then understand the features and the functions of WordPress. If you want to use Elementor, understand the limitations and the modalities available, okay, with Elementor. So what you are having is a situation whereby you assume that since you are using Elementor, WordPress will just be like, no, it's not as simple as the way you have presented it. You have mixed the two together. Now, let me go back to WordPress, because that is where the major issue lies. WordPress is built solely on a PHP script, and it is primarily designed for blogging. Okay, so that is why when you come to your normal website, your dashboard, the first thing after your dashboard, you are going to see your posts by default. Now, hello, by default, once you create a WordPress application, once you install WordPress application, it comes with two things: a page and a post. Now, these two things are unique differently. A page is a static page. A post is a functionality that is available for all your posts. If you compose any post now and you set up a post, it's going to go into your posts. So how do you then work it around? How do you work around it? What you are trying to do now, you are using Elementor, a page builder, to work on the post settings of WordPress. They are not the same. So you cannot bring you cannot bring army to come and fight corona. Corona is a virus. Health doctors will fight corona. Army will go and fight physical battle. So they are not the same thing. So first of all, forget about Elementor and understand the post features of WordPress. Now, by default, if you delete, and please hear me out, if you delete the blog pages that you have created and you create another page titled blog, and you don't use Elementor to create or to edit it, what you are going to have I was offline for a while.
It's breaking.
Yes,
okay.
I was offline for a while. I'm sorry. So what I'm trying to say is, by default, if you remove Elementor from that post editor, that blog page that you want to edit, if you remove Elementor from it and you only just leave that feature as it should be, anytime you post anything on that post, is going to come out on your post account. So, And
sorry, can I suggest something?
let me now
Can I
walk
suggest
you
something?
through. Let me just walk you through so that you see
Yeah.
where the issue
Can
now
I
lies.
suggest something?
Suggest.
Modin, okay, can you put all of this on the tutorial? Can you start the tutorial, the video? So that when you are sending it,
Yes, I've started the video, then I'm recording as we are
beautiful.
taking the class. I'm
Beautiful,
going to
beautiful.
walk you through, but just first of all understand that you have used Elementor to overshadow the power of WordPress, and that is why some functionalities of blogging under WordPress is not showing for you. So if you will not mind, please can you kindly go back to your dashboard. Go back to your dashboard. Let us see. Are you there? Okay, on your dashboard, go on your dashboard. Now, let me just explain this to you. Go to your pages. Go to your pages.
Okay. Okay.
Are you there?
Yes.
Okay, click all pages. Click all pages.
Can you still see my screen?
I'm seeing your screen, yes. Now, that blog, you see that you have edited the blog with Elementor, and that is where your mistake is. Yes. So what you are going to do for me now is pick the two blogs that you have created and delete them. Just check, you see the check button, or you can click on trash. Just delete those two blogs. Are you there?
Okay, so I should trash, right?
Yes, just delete those two. The first one and the second one, delete them. Okay?
Okay.
Click on the first and the second one and you go to bulk action and you click delete or trash.
I've deleted them. I've trashed them.
Good. You only deleted one. Delete the second one too.
No, it's deleted.
The second one.
Can you see it?
Okay, now I can see. Now create a new page.
Okay.
Create a new page.
Hope you are following what I'm doing. You are seeing me, right?
Yes, I'm seeing it. I'm seeing your dashboard.
Okay.
Just skip setup now. Click on skip setup. Now title it blog. Title the page blog or blogs or blog, anyone. That is. Don't edit with Elementor. Just publish. Click on publish. You are going to click on publish twice.
Okay.
Click again.
It's published.
Okay, go.
It's published now.
Yes. Go back to your dashboard. Go to your dashboard. That W icon, that black W. Click on that black W. Click on it. Okay. Now click on dashboard. Okay, good. Dashboard. Now go to settings. Underneath settings.
Okay. Yes.
Just go to settings. Where? Settings. Readings. Go to readings. This is not reading. Okay, this
is reading, yes.
Oh, yeah, scroll down. Now, post page.
Okay.
Click on blog. Save it.
Okay.
Now, go to your normal website. Not your dashboard, your normal website.
Normal website, yeah, this is it.
This is your normal website. Now click on blog. No,
Yes.
no, 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 no. Something is wrong here. Something is wrong here.
Yes.
Something is wrong here. Let us go back to your
We've
dashboard.
not
Wait, we have not added it to the menu. But
put it. It's not showing yet.
yes, we have
Pages,
not
right?
added it to the menu. We have not added the blog to the menu. Now go back to your go to
I should go to
appearance.
pages.
Appearance.
Okay.
Appearance.
Menu.
After templates.
Yeah.
Go to
Yes.
menu.
I'm there.
Okay, good.
Yes. It's loading.
I know, I'm seeing it. Now scroll
Yes.
down. Remove this
Yes.
blog. Remove this my blog. Remove it. Just click on it.
Yeah.
No, 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 no. Just click
Yeah.
on it. Just click.
Okay.
Click.
I've clicked on it.
Yes, the drop down menu. There's a drop down menu beside my blog, and click on that
Okay.
one. Now scroll down.
Okay.
Scroll down.
Okay.
Remove. You will see remove. Oh, yeah, remove.
Okay. Yes. Okay.
Okay. Now come back to the list by click view all. So add to menu. You will see add to menu items on the left side. Don't
Where do I see
scroll up.
view all?
Wait. Don't scroll up. On the left
Okay.
the left side. See view all. That is most recent.
Add menu.
No. Go to view all. Yes.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
No. Click on
Here,
view
right?
all. Yes.
Okay.
Now click on
Okay.
blog post page.
Okay.
Add to menu.
Add to menu.
Okay. Drag it to where you want to drag it to.
Okay.
You want it there.
Okay.
Okay. Now go
Yes,
down
yeah,
to
that's right.
save. Okay. Save it. Scroll down and save.
Okay.
Save menu.
Okay.
Now let
Yes.
us now go to your website, your normal website, and refresh.
Okay. Okay.
Refresh. Now you see your blog. Now click on the blog.
Yes, it's there now. Okay.
Now
Okay.
these are the contents that you have put on your blog post. This is what we now want to work on. How this blog would look like. Now
Okay, exactly.
Now, the job is this. The job is very simple. You don't need to store. You don't need to you don't need to edit the layout with Elementor. If you want to edit this layout, you are going to use the template, the theme. You are going to use the theme to edit the layout of this blog. You are not going to use Elementor. We are dealing with WordPress now. We are not dealing with Elementor. Do you understand?
Okay.
Okay. Now let me
Yes, I
show
get
you
you.
something. You asked a question. Let me just show you. Go to your dashboard.
Okay.
We are still going to work on this, but let me just put you straight. Go to your dashboard. Go
Okay.
to pages.
Okay.
Go to pages.
Okay.
All page. Click on pages.
Yes, it's open. Okay.
Okay. Now go to about us.
Yeah. Okay.
Now click edit with Elementor. Just click edit with Elementor. About us, edit with Elementor.
Okay. Okay.
So what I'm going to show you now is going to explain your request. You wanted to have it in a way that if you should use the post list elements, it should list out your post. and you showed me in your previous time that you tried it did not go, but then you were trying
Yes.
it on your blog, which will not work. All the elements on your blog will only be as available as you have set it up using WordPress and your theme. But if you want to work on a page and not on your blog, on a page, you can still have it the way you really wanted. Like on your about us page now, we are going to insert that blog
Yes.
post element. I'm going to show you.
Okay.
So just scroll down
Okay.
or just create a new session, not on that widget, not the widget, the main page. Yes, this is a feature that we want to use on the main page. Bring it to the main page.
You said I should what? No.
Yes, you see the three that uh okay, good. Yes, good. Bring the post
I should click
yes,
it.
under a new session. Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Just pick the first one. Yes, that
I should
one.
click one.
Yes, just click that one.
Okay.
Now go to your this session and bring that post post.
Okay.
Bring it. Place it.
I placed it.
Okay. We want to select under the skin, the layout.
Okay. Classic.
Yes, yes. Scroll down.
It's classic that is there.
There are three options there. We can select. You know that your own post, you did not have featured image. So that is one of the problems. You don't have featured image on your blog post.
I have one small featured image.
Where is it? Go to your blog. There is no featured image here now.
Let me
The
click
first
read
one
more
is
first.
wait, don't worry.
I
Don't
just
worry about
this.
eh?
This is it. This is it. It's
This
showing, but it's not
icon
showing.
here is your feature image. Okay, good.
I just put it just for testing.
Testing,
I was just
okay.
testing them.
Okay.
But if
Now,
I go back, let me see the other one. I think I put something better in the other one, in the other post. The other post. This is my second post.
okay. What you are doing, these ones you inserted the image inside the post.
Yes.
That is not featured image. Yes, that is not featured image. And that is why, go back to your about us, Elementor about us.
Okay.
That is why this is not loading now. But it's going to load though. It's going to load all your images, all your posts. Yes. Like as you are seeing it now, it's going to load. But let us first of all set our features. So we are using classic. We are using 6 posts per page. No, let it be 3 posts.
3 columns.
That is a column.
Okay.
Let 3 posts per page.
It should be 3 here.
Yes.
Okay.
We have image to be at the top. Yes. Scroll down. Don't worry, all those ones will work now. I will show you.
Okay.
So the title should be shown, the separators and all those. All these ones are normal. Read more,
Yes.
read more, query and everything, pagination. So updates. Click updates.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, good. Now let me just first of all go back to the check out of this one. Check out of this.
Okay. I should go back to dashboard.
Yes.
Okay.
Scroll up. Scroll down or scroll up. No, that is what you are going to. When you scroll up, you will see exit to dashboard. You see
Okay.
exit to dashboard. See, click exit to the dashboard.
Well, I can. Okay, exit to that. Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Now go back to the hand. View pages.
Okay.
Go to your post.
Okay.
All post. Pick the first post.
Okay.
Now you make this one private. Let me show you
Yes,
now.
because I was just
You make them private, so it's not going to show. Your visibility is still at private. Do you understand? So you are going to make it public if you want it to show.
okay.
So scroll to your scroll down under that under that document. Just scroll down. Scroll down. Okay, let us do something else so that you are going to get it clean, easy. I was off. Hello.
Are you back?
I'm back. I don't know. I'm
Okay.
sorry about all these. Internet is
It's internet.
the internet is really forcing itself to work.
Yes. Okay. So I did public.
Okay,
know,
now let me
just
show you something. Go
No,
back.
we are not done with this. I should update.
Don't worry about this one. Let me show you something. We will come to this Elementor in a bit, please. You can update this. Click update so that we can move out of this one.
Okay. So, what next?
So you have clicked updates. Go to all posts. Create a new post. We are going to test something. You are going to see the difference. Go back to your dashboard. Go to all posts. New post. Just click on that icon.
Can you see me?
I can see your screen.
Okay.
Now, okay, this is one thing you should first of all note. By default, WordPress is using Guternberg, which is this editor. So we can also use Elementor. Elementor is not WordPress application, but it can work very, very well with WordPress. Now, the first thing I want you to note is that by default, if you click on post, you are going to see something like this. Just put a title. Put training with Majid.
Okay.
Just put a training with Majid. Okay. Good. Now go to the right side. Scroll down.
Okay.
You are going to see the featured image. Click on set featured image.
Okay.
It's going to take you to pick any image. Pick the one the third one. Yes, the third image from the list. Just pick that one.
Okay.
Set featured image.
Yes. Set featured image. Okay.
So that is a featured image. That is not the image within the content. It is not within the content. Now scroll up. You are going to see tags. Tags are keywords that are very, very important for Google to search, to trigger your content. So tags should be related with your content and the keywords from your content. So you can go to tag above featured image. Above featured image, there's tags. Click on tags.
Yes.
You can
Yes.
just create
Yes.
more tags by, you can type Mojid, put comma, type anything, just put comma. Let it be related with your content. You understand?
Okay,
Yes,
so
that's how
I'm
you create.
into
That's how
financial
you create
advisory, for
tags
instance. What kind of tags will I be putting?
related to your content. The keywords, your content.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
so yes, depending on the content of that blog post.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
now scroll up. You are going to delete all these ones later, but so
Yes.
everything is ready. Click publish.
Okay.
Oh, sorry. Wait. Let us add something now. Let us add a content inside this.
Okay.
Now click on,
What do I now do?
yes.
I've clicked publish.
No, don't click the second publish.
Click the second one.
Don't
Okay.
just click on. Now
Add block.
Gutenberg uses block elements. Gutenberg uses block elements. Now click on
Okay.
start typing, or type, or just click on that. Anything you type now will fall under the first introduction of the title.
Okay.
We are really trying to get, just type, or we can copy anything from from the Google, anything, any word, just put there. Now if you
Okay.
click on, yes, now you can see that that is a block. That alone is a block. You can select uh, the alignment. You can select the bold type. You can select the italics, and you can add links under that. That is it. Then you can delete. Yeah, you can duplicate. You can do any other thing. Now
Yes.
go scroll over out of that box, over out of it, out of the box,
Okay.
beneath. Just click beneath. Beneath that typed word. Beneath the typed word. Not there. Within
Beneath
the,
the title. Okay.
yes.
Here.
Under, yes. Click.
Yes.
You will see
I've clicked.
outside, you are within the block, outside that block.
I should click
Within,
here. Somewhere like here.
no. Under your blog. This, we are really trying to learn how to set up our blog.
Yes, I'm clicking here.
Yes.
I'm clicking outside.
You will see a plus minus, a plus by the right hand side, left hand side. I'm seeing it
Okay,
now.
here.
Yes. Add a
Here.
block.
Okay.
So
Okay.
you can add images, you can add paragraph, list, you can add everything you want to add. It's going to, yes, you can just set up your blog content the way you want it to look like. And you can always, yes.
Okay.
So
But this one now, that it won't be featured image.
though, all these ones will not be
If I add
featured image. All these one will be your main content.
Okay.
So you can create columns. You can do so many things. Click on that add block. You can create columns. Scroll down now. Scroll down. Click on that add plus, the plus button. Add block. Scroll. Most used. There are so many formats, blocks. Scroll down.
List.
Format blocks, common blocks. You can elements, layout elements. See layout elements. Scroll now. Let me see layout elements.
Layout elements. Okay.
So you can create more columns. You can add text. You can put buttons. You can do so many things with it.
Okay.
So, and it's going to really, it will come out the normal way a professional content will come out. Yes.
Wow.
Now, as soon as we are through with this, I just want to show you a Gutenberg. That's why I want to take you through all this. So you can use Gutenberg to be creating your blog content, and by default.
Okay. Do you want to quickly create something here? I can just be doing copy and paste.
Yes, now you can do copy and paste. Why not?
Okay.
Just copy anything and just paste.
Okay.
And it's going to come up. Yes, just copy all those ones like that. Don't worry. Don't worry about grammar. We are going to delete it and you are going to select. Just click. You don't need to upload the image. That is not image. You can delete that one if you don't want any. If you don't
How
have
do I
anything.
delete this one?
They are, click on it.
I want to delete it.
Just click. These three icon, three list, more option. Click on it. Remove block.
Remove block. Okay.
So just click
Okay.
outside. Click paragraph. Yeah, paste. That is it. You can edit it. You can, if you click enter.
Enter.
At the end of this one, just click enter. It's going to automatically create another paragraph. At the end of that one, just click enter now. Click enter.
I clicked and it cut it somehow, but it's fine. I understand what you're saying.
You click. It's going to automatically. You just paste. Okay, we are through with that one. Now publish.
Yeah.
Publish. Okay. Let us copy the link. Let us view the post. See the view post here now.
View post is there.
Just click view post.
I should click. Okay.
So this is how the blog will look like. Okay.
Okay.
Now, this, if you now go back to, wait, scroll up. Go to About Us.
Okay.
Scroll down.
Yeah.
See the post that you posted. You know, we were editing, we edited About Us.
Yes.
And I told you that feature that you wanted to see can actually be shown. But there was no feature, I just told you that. Put the content, see the post now, see the featured image. 3 steps to improve your internal control. If you had put featured image, you are going to see it. It's going to line up like this. 3. Neat.
Wow. Okay. So now, if I that's feature, that's a post something widget that will drag About Us. That's why we are seeing this, right?
Yes. That post widget. But you cannot use that widget on the blog. You can only use it on other page. You cannot use it on this blog. This is the blog now.
Sorry?
You cannot use that widget on the blog. This is how the normal blog will look like. Okay, we can still edit this one. We can still edit it. If you want to edit this, you have to go to your templates. We have not done anything on Elementor now, if you understand what we are doing so far.
Yes, I agree. I agree, yes.
So, if you want to edit how this thing should look like, if you want to edit this, you are not editing with Elementor. Don't go near Elementor for now. Go back to your dashboard. Go back to your dashboard.
Okay.
Go back to your dashboard.
Okay.
Now go to appearance.
Appearance, okay. Where in appearance? Themes?
Customize.
Customize, okay.
Yes, we want to customize the theme.
Okay.
So here we now want to talk about how we want our post page, how we want it to look like, the widgets we want to add, the features we want to add, and we will just be posting. Anytime you post any new post, you are going to have it automatically filling in.
Okay, good.
Meanwhile,
that's exactly what
after you have gotten that one clear, you can then say you want to use Elementor to create your posts. That means that you would use Elementor. Okay, let us go.
Okay.
Scroll down. General option. scroll down. Let me first of all see all the options. Post, go to blog.
Okay.
Go to blog. So
Blog. Okay.
yes, blog. So this one wants to talk about the blog entries and a single post. Now we want to look at the layout. How will the blog entry, if you go to your website /blog, how will that page look like? Click on blog entries.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, click on it.
Okay. Okay.
So we want our blog to be the main content. You see the first one that has right sidebar. We want it to be that the main content, and we want a sidebar by the right. Do you understand? Do you get this thing?
Yes.
If you go to your normal website /blog, you will see that you will see the list of your content, your blogs, and on the right side you are going to see comments, all those options there. You are going to see them, the sidebar. So that is if you are doing Google AdSense or you are doing any other promotional something. Under that sidebar, the right sidebar, you can add all your widgets, and you can say you can scroll down, you can select any of these layouts. So your blog post would have any of these. Then you can select, scroll down small.
Okay.
So you can select the content, the excerpt length. You can say you want it to be 30 words. Okay, you can check all these one: featured image, title, metadata. Let me show you all those ones. Go to go to your normal blog, your website. On a new tab. Leave this one. Yes, leave this one. On a new tab. Okay. Go to your blog, scroll up and go to your normal blog now.
Yes.
Now click on your blog.
Yes, I'm here.
Now you see that on your blog now, what we have is your featured image on the main page, and on the right side we have recent posts, recent comments, archive, category, all those ones. You can remove all these ones and put adverts of promo of products and every other things. You can remove all these ones and put what you want. But the first thing you need to note is that on your blog you have your featured image. Scroll down. You have your featured image, you have your title. I just want to show you something. Your featured image, your title, the name of the author, the date, the category, and the comments, the content, and continue reading. Now go back to that blog layout template.
Okay.
That customize. Go back to customize. Now you can see that we have your featured image, your title, your meta, your content, and read more. If you don't want any of these features, you can just uncheck that eyes. You just blind the eye. All the eyes that you see there, just blind any of it.
Yes.
Just click on it
now.
Now once
I've clicked one.
If you click, you are going to click on publish, and you are going to go back to the blog and refresh. You will see that the title will not be available, only the featured image.
Okay, so I should click publish then.
Yes, you click publish.
Come here.
Yes. You now come to the page and you refresh. Now scroll down.
That's true.
You'll see that the title is not there. But who will be reading something without title? So it means that you may
without title. It doesn't make sense.
So you just, this is how you then if you want to reduce the size, the layout, so many things you can do here. You can just scroll down. If you want to see how it's going to look like on the mobile version and so many other features, you can just there are so many things available for you to make use of here. You understand? So
So with this, I can set up how it will eventually look.
is good. Yes, you can set it up. Then you can then go to your widgets and you set up the widgets that you want to have on your sidebar.
Okay,
Have
I
you
should
had
edit this one and go there, right?
your title nko?
Eh?
Your title, go put your title back now.
I brought it back.
Okay, good.
I
So you
brought
can
it back.
move
Yeah.
away from this one.
Okay, but the widgets you talked about, how do I see the widgets?
Yes, we will get to the widgets. Go back
Okay.
to the second page. No, don't do that. Just scroll up. Now click
Okay.
this back
I should
button
go
here.
back. Okay.
Click back button.
Ch-
Now select
Okay,
single
they're recording.
post. Select single post.
Okay.
Even for a single post, you can edit how you want it to look like.
Okay, sorry, let me ask you a question. So
Ask.
this one that we did, the what is it called? Log entries.
That is
So
for
this
the
is like
main
the
page.
permanent.
For the main page, when you go
Yes.
to your website slash blog, how
Okay.
that
Okay.
features should look, how the layout should look
Okay.
like.
Will
That
always
is
be
for this
okay.
one.
Okay.
Meanwhile, for each
Good.
blog, each post that you will be
Yes.
creating subsequently, you want your headings to be like this. If you want to hide the title, you can hide. All these are features that you can enable, and you can, you know, if you go to the beneath of your content, you will see related blog post. You can add 2, 3, 4 related ones on the same category.
Okay. Okay.
So
Okay. Okay. Great. Okay. I'm with you. Yeah.
haven't done all these ones. Now, if you are interested in using Gutenberg to edit your
Okay.
posts, do you understand? If you are interested in
Yes.
using Gutenberg to edit your posts, by default you just create posts and you just use Gutenberg. If you are interested in using Elementor to edit your posts, now you go to normal post, you
Okay.
click on post, you put your title, you put your featured image, and
Okay.
you will now edit with Elementor. In fact, me, I prefer that you save as drafts first and you now edit with Elementor.
Okay.
So whenever you do that, for each post, you can only edit the post, the content of the post with Elementor. You cannot edit the layout of WordPress blog with Elementor.
Okay.
So for you to edit the WordPress blog, the layout of the WordPress blog, you would need to come back to WordPress. Forget about Elementor. But if you want to edit the content of your post, individual post, you can use
Okay.
Elementor as a page builder. Prepare your content, prepare your images. Like there was some of my content, like in my own website mojitfedgar.com, I embedded Google Ads on my post.
Okay.
So I now use Elementor to create a template. Anytime I want to post want to create any post, I will first of all import that template that already has Google Ads. I will just edit the content and I will just live it. So I have used Elementor as a page builder, but I'll be using it to create my post. But later I realized that it's not okay for Gutenberg is easier for Google indexing.
So Elementor is not even good for anything post at all.
It's good, but Gutenberg is good because that one is WordPress tool. And if you want to use, I'm using Elementor to edit my post, don't get me wrong, but when you look at it at the long run, you cannot have that content unless you have Elementor.
Yes.
So
I get you.
it is, to me, I feel like I should advise you, use Elementor to build your pages, your everything you want to do, but learn how to use Guttenberg to do your posts.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
But if you want to
Okay.
use Elementor to do your post, then I can show you. You go to post, create a new post. I will walk you through. It's going to work. It's going to work, really. And
Oh,
Elementor is
but
very, very good.
what
Though.
I
I will
want
not.
is even the one that is here. But
You
let's
said
go through that one. Let's go through that
okay. I'll
one
walk
since
you
we're
through.
just.
No problem. Let's go. So sign off this.
Okay, let me go out.
Just click on that cancel. The
Okay.
cancel, yes. There are so many features under that one, but subsequently you can take it. Go to
Yeah.
post.
Post,
Add
okay.
new.
Okay.
You can also add posts there too. They are almost always the same.
Yes. It's really.
This thing is getting to an hour.
Abi.
Now,
That's like
that is the title.
you
Getting to an hour.
Okay.
I said that the title is getting to an hour.
Oh, getting to an hour. Okay.
Getting to an hour. And now, okay, now
Yeah.
put the
I feel
category.
you. I feel you.
Put the category, not the block. Go to documents. You have switched over to documents. Not block. See block, documents. Under that block, you are moving away. Under that block side, the right side,
Document.
the document.
Okay.
Now go to category. Select a category. Select title, tags. Select yes. Select tags. Select featured image. You understand?
Okay. Yes.
Just select
Featured
anything.
image.
That one. That one too is alright.
Yeah. Okay.
Put
Then-
tags.
Okay. New blog.
Okay, just
Anything.
now click save
Okay.
draft. Click
Save
save
draft.
draft.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, now click edit with Elementor. By default, even if you click edit with Elementor, it's going to save it as draft first before it will now go to Elementor.
Okay. I hope it won't give me that error message now.
No, it will not give you.
Okay. So sorry, why was he giving me that? I know you explained it then,
So this,
but it's not giving me now.
you said what?
You know, it was giving me an error message before. Why is it not giving me now?
It was giving you an error message before because you want to use Elementor to edit the settings of WordPress.
Okay. So this one we are on post now.
Now we are using Elementor to edit the post in just a single post.
Yes, I get.
You are not editing the settings of WordPress now.
Yes,
Like,
I get the difference now.
It's like when you are using gun. You want to use gun to kill coronavirus. You'll be having error message now.
I get you.
Now, you can import. You can now use this one to put your content, and you can see the tag that we have done. We have already put tag. We have put category. See the featured image by default. So these are his finished points, finished content. These are it's going to look like. So we can just put drag. Click on that plus button.
Okay.
Yes, you can select your structure, and you can go to that one that you were showing me that you wanted to select templates. You can import templates now. You can try anything that you want to do. Try, just do now.
Okay, let me try that. Okay.
You don't want to put this. It's going to work.
Eh?
It's going to work. See it now. It's going to work.
Yes, it did. Wow, it did. It
So
did.
so many things you can do now, and I can tell you,
Wow.
Elementor is also good for blog uh, post creation, but it's just that okay, it's
This one
just
makes sense.
so
It makes sense.
this is the way I use it also. I use Elementor here too, and I use it to create my post, and it's very, very interesting. You know, one of the things you can use it to create a template, and subsequently you just be using that template, edit and all. That's Elementor is very, very powerful. But I
Okay,
just
so I
want to,
can,
like,
if I
if you are
build
getting
one
it
now,
wrong, you
based
said
on, sorry, based on what, if I build one and set the post the way I want it using Elementor to build it, I can save it as a template. So subsequently, I'll just
yes.
bring in that
If
template.
you want to save it as a template under that publish, beside the publish,
Yes.
yes,
Yeah.
yes, save option.
Okay.
See, save as
Okay.
template.
Okay. Save as template.
So you are going
Wow.
to click on that. You are going to give it a name. Give it a name. My Elementor page
Okay.
or my Elementor something. Anything you want to use.
Let me just call it this so that I will remember it. Okay. Then save. Where will it save?
It's going to save inside your library now. See my templates. So if you want to,
Okay.
if you need it after anytime you want to create anything, you just come to that Mojit.
Yeah.
See, scroll.
Yeah. Okay.
See Mojit templates. You just click insert.
Okay.
Now, if you want to insert, it's going to ask you, do you want to override the content that you have already, or you want to just add this one too? If you click no, it's going to add this one, join what you have on your Elementor page.
Okay.
But if you have nothing already on it, you can just say delete anything that is available. So it's going
Okay.
to show. But if you say no, it's going to add it, join the one that
Add
you
it.
have. Click. It's going to add it,
Okay.
join the one that you have already. So it's going to be double. Scroll down. You see double. You see
Yes.
double. So,
Yes.
and of course, you can always delete the templates, and it's always good that you know create this thing and work your way around. Once you are through with it, you just click publish from this place. It's going to go live.
Where is the publish button here?
See publish button now where you see drafts by your that element by the left,
Okay.
by the down.
Okay, publish. Oh, publish. Okay, sorry. Yes.
That is
Yes.
the publish
Okay.
button.
So this one, if I click this publish, it will go live immediately.
Click it now.
Wow.
So
let me
okay,
come.
your post is live. You can have a look at it. You
Wow.
can go to your list and you see your post, and go to your normal website. Okay. You still need to work on your favicon, your logo, and everything.
Yes.
So
Yes.
this is a recent one.
This is the latest one. So it's the latest one that will have the featured image showing. All the others will be down. Okay. I get how it works now. I
And
appreciate.
you can select like this one now. It's a single
Yes.
image, a single blog. You can make it 3.
Yes.
This one that is having one blog post, and it's now becoming
Yes.
too long. You can make it
Yes.
3, so that there will be 3 blog posts and all those ones. You can edit anything you
Yes.
want to do with it. Do you have any
There-
question for me?
I think now let me just practice what we've done so far. Then if there's any question, I will now let you know.
So there is no question now. So I
No, for
can.
now, no.
Okay, that is. I
But
can stop
okay.
my recording.
So now, sorry, just a quick one. While we are on this page where we were editing, is there any way, that one that I tried doing, to bring in a template from here?
Yes, why not? Put now, insert your template. Go to your
So
pages.
yeah,
Go to
I see
pages.
this much. I see we can insert this one, but something like all these
Go
ones
to
that
pages. Insert.
is it possible to use any of these?
Don't ask question. Insert.
Okay, hold on. Let me see the one I might
Don't
like.
see
Just a
anyone. Just pick insert. Let us
Okay.
insert.
Insert. You see, to always be telling me to get started. Insert.
No. Maybe you've clicked insert.
Yes. I've
Okay,
clicked
you have
insert.
not connected your. Wait, you sign up for Pro. Are
Yes.
you saying you did not connect your account with Elementor?
No, I use all these GP. Is it GPU license? I don't know if you know about them. GPU license where I will get so many premium plugins in one, but I will now have to be what is it called updating manually. So I will go to the website of those people that sold the license and then be updating manually.
I understand. Click.
Uh-huh.
Why is
So
if you've clicked insert, isn't it?
yes, I've clicked insert.
And it not go.
It's not going.
So it means that you need to sign up for. You need to get connected with template library or Elementor template library. Just need it's free, sha.
Uh,
Uh,
so how do I do that? How do I connect to template library?
Click on get started now. It's going to take you to
If you
another
want me to
website.
register my details, my email and all those things.
Yes. That's what it's going to do
Okay,
for you.
okay. I will do that
So
later.
once you have that one done, you can always download contents from their library, and you can also use other people's other resource libraries. And
Even somebody using Elementor Pro can do that.
yes, now even free Elementor can do that. The library is free now.
Okay.
But your own case now, the library is free, but you are using Elementor Pro. So all the
Yes.
pro versions, all the pro content on their library is also available for you to use.
Yes. Okay. I really appreciate. So let me look at this. Let me work on it. Then I can always contact you anytime.